User must verify that side A is facing the cutter wheel and that we're shoulder stopping the M1 key into the A side, and that it is not pivoting at an angle and in fact straight in the vise, or else it will throw off the calibration of the machine. Once verified that key is clamped correctly, lower shoulder stop and tip stop. In the software, click File Setup to evaluate the setup data. The X-start coordinate under Jaw2 cutter setup data needs to be in the range between 1750 and 1850. If that number is not there, user must manually insert a number in that range and click Master Update and OK to save to the board. At this point, we can go to Operations, Calibrate Cutter, insert the number 2, press OK. Once verified that key is clamped correctly in the jaw, click Yes to proceed through the calibration process. Once user has clamped M1 key using the shoulder stop, user can initialize the calibration process. At this point, the cutter wheel will turn on. Come over and reference the key edge. And then it will back away from the key edge and reference the shoulder. And then proceed to cut in the middle of the key. After the cutting process, user can open shield, remove any burrs on key blank, flip out tracer. Click Yes on the screen to proceed. At this point, once you click Yes, the tracer will come over, decipher the depth of the cut, and then come over and recognize the entry and exit angle. And the last reference point is going to be in front of the key on the side of the jaw A